Hi guys, welcome to our third lesson of quarantine cooking. Today it's going to be another very easy recipe with ingredients that I had at home. I'm going to use some Japanese broth that I bought at the supermarket a few weeks ago. For the winter, you know, we do the nabe and those hot pots, and I still had this kimchi nabe, so spicy broth in my pantry. And what I do is that I've been doing this recipe for many years now. The first time I made it was when I got the flu, because it's a very hearty dish and easy to digest. You will put rice. If you have vegetables, I have some spinach in my freezer, so I'm going to put some spinach too. If you don't have, it's okay, it will be delicious nonetheless. You will need only broth, rice, and an egg. If you don't have Japanese nabe broth, I believe you can make some broth yourself with probably you must have some chicken stock at home. You can make a chicken broth. It will be delicious too. For Japanese lovers, if you have some miso, a miso soup base will be super nice too. Voila. So now let's cook it. Let's do it, guys. Japanese style nabe pot, you can use it, but Western style nabe works super well too. You need a pot with a lid. So that was today's easy cooking. Rice in a broth with an egg. If you have some seaweed, dried seaweed, you can add it because it will enhance the whole dish. I like especially, you know, those Korean sesame oil grilled seaweeds, but Japanese seaweed, other seaweed works well too. The egg definitely adds some nice creaminess, richness to the whole dish. I hope you have those ingredients at home. Please let me know if you make it. Add a comment after this video. If you have any requests for any other cooking, I will try and make it. In the meantime, be well, my friends. I will see you very soon with some more recipes. À bientôt. Mwah. Bye, guys. The kimchi nabe. We have those broth, ready to eat broth that we used to make nabe in Japan. I like the kimchi one because it makes a spicy broth. But of course, if you have, for example, some miso, or if you don't have those Japanese flavors, I can recommend also that you make a chicken broth with some chicken stock. Very easy. Usually we all have those stocked at home. My cat is participating. So you need some broth. If you have... Bon, tiens, Yamena, tu te calmes. C'est incroyable. Poupou. Je vais pas y arriver. Hein. C'est bon? Hi guys. Today I'm going...